KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 21st of July. I'm James Spann. You know what we're going to say. Hot, humid, scattered storms. But the tropics are getting active. The wave train beginning to crank up. So let's discuss things. There's the upper look across the country this morning, ridging all across the deep south. That's the heat. On top of the heat ridge, we have the jet stream, the mid-latitude westerlies. And below the heat ridge, we have the tropical easterlies. That was a radar early this morning. Things are quiet at 4:48. We'll see more scattered storms cranking up later today. Temperatures are in the 70s this morning. Highs, I'd say low to mid-90s today. Maybe not quite as hot as yesterday. Around the nation, very quiet this morning. Still got a few heat advisories on the middle Atlantic coast and some red flag warnings out west. There's the severe weather outlook for today, a marginal risk just north of the state. This is tomorrow. Again, a marginal risk for parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. A slight risk, level 2 out of 5, over parts of the middle Atlantic coast region. That includes Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Philadelphia. And Thursday, day 3, marginal risks well to the north. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, in Alabama, these maps are very hard to draw this time of the year because this is showing rain amounts under 1/2 inch for most spots. But remember, yesterday, some spots had 1 to 2 inches of rain just from one lone storm. But other places had nothing. That's the way it works. And we'll have scattered storms around every day for the foreseeable future. But let's talk about the tropics. First off, that wave in the deep tropics, kind of a low-latitude system. The Hurricane Center has upped that to a 40% chance of developing in the short term. But as that approaches the windward islands, it's going to encounter dry air and strong winds aloft. So it might become a depression, but it probably won't last long if that happens. We've got the wave over Cuba, and then one that's moving into Texas. This is the 5-day outlook, and the Hurricane Center still keeps the chance of that Cuban wave at under 40% of becoming a depression or a storm. This is the European ensemble. The probability of tropical depression formation is ramped up to over 80%. And that thing is moving toward the Texas coastal plain. Now, this is the probability of a tropical storm, and there's no chance of that based on the European ensemble. In other words, this thing will be a big rainmaker for Texas, most likely. And that's a good thing. They need the rain, and most likely it stays south of Alabama. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06E run, 4 o'clock today. Still got the heat ridge here. Partly sunny, scattered showers and storms forming this afternoon. Highs, I'd say 92 to 96 for most spots. Moisture fairly deep today, so odds of getting a shower maybe 30 to 40% today for any one spot. Same thing tomorrow, low to mid-90s. Thursday, evidence storms might thin out a little bit. Same thing on Friday. Highs up in the mid-90s. And for the weekend, not a lot of change. Here's Saturday and Sunday. Mid-90s, partly sunny with a chance of a pop-up storm in spots. That'll be the story on Monday as well. And a week from today, Tuesday the 28th. Got, again, the westerlies up north. A little trough coming into the Great Lakes. And for us, not much change. Hot, humid, a few scattered storms. Let's go out 10 days. Thursday of next week, the 30th. Ridging over much of the country, and it's the same old song and dance. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 1 and 2 inches, but some of the members exceed 4 inches. Highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s for the rest of the month. And the CPC outlook, this is for July 28th through August 3rd. Alaska's the place to be. They've had a cool summer up there, but for us, temperatures will likely stay a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.